I'm starting off with my skincare. I haven't washed my face, so I'll be using the Garnier Gentle Soothing Face Wash to wash my face. So this was my recent purchase. I really love this face wash. It is very good, gentle, and effectively cleanses my face without making my skin dry or stretchy. So it's a good one for all skin type, I would say. After pat drying, I'm using L'Oreal Revitalift Micro Essence. This one is like a serum cum toner. So I'm just applying it all over my face and patting it into my skin. It gets absorbed very easily. It's just like a toner in a water consistency. It contains salicylic acid. It's great for oily and acne prone skin. Next, for my lips, I'm using Nivea Watermelon Shine Lip Balm. This one has a very light pink tint and has some shimmer particles also, not very chunky, but it is like a gloss only, and it's very moisturizing also. And for my face, I'm using Nivea's soft lightweight moisturizer, and this one in the variant Mint. This is also a new purchase, and recently my skin has become very dry, and I'm trying new products for that because usually my skin was very oily and now it has become very dry due to chemical exfoliation, I would say, because I was doing chemical exfoliation recently, like weekly twice, and I've seen my skin becoming very dry. So this one is a very good lightweight moisturizer. And for my primer, I've taken Insight 3-in-1 primer. It is a silicone based primer. It's very affordable and it does its job so well. It actually helps to minimize the pore and give a very smooth, flawless base for the makeup. I like to apply it on my cheeks and on my nose and on my T-zone area, and sometimes I take the remaining product under my eyes also, just to smooth out the fine lines and give a flawless base. And next, I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade N340. It's a neutral shade and it's a neutral almond. This is also my new purchase and I'm using it for the first time. And my first impression, I really liked the packaging. I like this type of applicator also, and I like the shade also. It matched my skin color, but it didn't match my undertone. Actually, it looks so perfect on the screen, but in person I could see the difference because I don't like to use cool undertone foundation. It gives a gray effect. So yeah, it did that, but I was able to correct it with my concealer, so you will see that later. So I'm using a buffing brush to blend this foundation. It blends so well. It gives a medium coverage, and I really love the formulation of this foundation, and it worked well with the beauty blender also. You should choose the correct undertone, then it is perfect. It's perfect. I will try other shades also, but as of now I really love this foundation. And for my concealer, I'm using Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and this is also my new purchase and I'm using it for the first time. And this concealer actually looks so yellow, looks very yellow. I got the darkest shade. This is the darkest shade that was available. I'll give the shade name on the screen. Currently I couldn't remember. I didn't expect to be so orangey, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply it wherever I usually apply my concealer, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and just to hide some dark spot and to highlight. So I'm going to apply this and try blending it. I used a damn beauty blender and it blended so well, and the concealer consistency is so good and it has good coverage also. The only problem is the shade, but I'm just trying to to fix it. You can use this as a color correcting concealer actually. If you have hyperpigmentation, you can apply it on your hyperpigmented area and blend it, and over that you can go ahead with your regular concealer of your skin shade or one shade lighter. So that's what I'm going to do now. I try to blend it. As you can see, it's very orangey, and it's very visible. So on top of it, I'm going ahead with my regular concealer. You can see how orangey it looks comparatively. So I'm using Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium deep tan, and applying it wherever I apply the previous concealer, just on top of it. And I'm going to blend it using a beauty blender. I really love this concealer. I've been using this one in the past year, and it's almost empty now, and it is a very good affordable concealer. It doesn't crease, it gave a good coverage, and it helps to hide dark spot and dark circles. So yeah, you can definitely try this one. And to set all this, I'm using Swiss Beauty Prime and setting powder, and this is also I'm using it for the first time. And this is how the packaging looks like, and it comes with a powder applicator. It's a translucent setting powder. I'm going to apply it wherever I apply the concealer and set it in place. It is a very finely milled powder. And I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to immediately dust it off using powder brush. And one thing I don't like about loose powder is that it's way messier than the compact are very easy to use, but loose powder spills everywhere. This is something that I don't like about loose powder. But coming back to this setting powder, actually it did work so well. It set my makeup in place for a long time, and it gave a matte effect instantly. So it is great for oily skin. It gave a smooth flawless finish, so definitely give this one a try. And for contouring, I'm using Sugar contour. This one is a regular contour that I used to use. It's nothing new for me. I didn't buy any new contour product. I bought the Inside one. I've used it in my other tutorial. So the brush is new actually. So there's this brush set which I got from Amazon for $8.90. It had like 18 brushes with 3 beauty blender. I've already reviewed it on my another video. I'll give the link here. Do check this out. It is a good brush set at affordable rate. Definitely buy it during this sale from Amazon. I'll give the link in the description also. It has all the brush that you will ever need for makeup, and this contour brush is something very unique, and I really love this contour brush also. And I'm just going to contouring my face, nose, and that's it. And for my blush, I'm going to use this palette. This one has like 10 blush shade and many eyeshadow shades. Actually, it has all the eyeshadow shades, and this palette was actually gifted by a Insta page to me. I'll give the Insta page link in the description. They have like amazing affordable makeup products. You can definitely check them out. So I'm just applying this blush all over my cheeks, and I'm just taking it a little higher to give like a lifted effect. And for my highlight, I'm using Miss Glam highlight powder, and this one actually had 2 shades in it. It had like a golden shade and a brown shade. I completely shattered it. I dropped it down and it completely shattered. Now it all mixed together, and I really like the shade. It's like a bronzy highlighter shade, and I'm just applying it wherever I usually highlight. And for my eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow spoolie, and then just cleaning my eyebrows, removing the excess foundation and powder, and going ahead with Blue Heaven Walk Free eyebrow pencil in the shade grey. And now for my eye makeup, I've taken Makeup Revolution Neutrals 3 eyeshadow palette and this eyeshadow blending brush, and taking this orangey brown shade, applying it to my outer crease and creating a transition to give that depth to my eyes, and picking up this lighter orangey brown shade with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. So that's it for the eyeshadow base. And now I'm going with the darker brown shade which I used previously, and I'm applying it to my lower eyelid. Now I'm taking this golden shade with my finger and applying it to the center of my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it well, and also applying the same shade to my inner eyelids. And for my eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme blue eyeliner. This is Insta liner actually, Lakme blue Insta eyeliner. This is the first time I'm using it, and I wanted to use this for a long time since I saw your Shayna's using it, and many of her fans also bought because of her, and I'm one of them. And I'm just going to create a small winged eyeliner using this one. It's a very bright cobalt blue. It is a very nice blue color actually. It suits all skin shade very well. Definitely try this one if you haven't tried any blue eyeliner. And that's it for this eyeliner look. And for my lower waterline, I went ahead with this Miss Claire blue color glimmer eye pencil. I had this for a long time in my vanity but never used it, so I thought let me try it today. But it is a total waste. It's a total waste actually. I think I didn't use it because it didn't work for me, but I was having it in my vanity for a long time. It didn't have any pigmentation, it didn't do anything. So I'm using a regular black kajal. This one is from L'Oreal. It's a very good kajal. So I'm going to apply it to my lower waterline, and I'm going to smudge the kajal using this dark blue eyeshadow which from the palette which I used previously. I'm taking it using a small flat eyeshadow brush and then smudging it. Using this small pointed eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pick this white eyeshadow and apply it to my inner eyelid that's near to my eye duct. This helps to brighten the look and helps to make my eyes look bigger and bright. So for my eyelashes, I'm using Essence Get Big Lash Volume Boost Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, very affordable and very good. Still, I love the I Love Extreme mascara. That's my most favorite. Nothing can beat that one. I've tried many mascaras, but that be is my favorite. And now to my lips, I'm going to use a Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Cherry Brown. This is the first time I'm trying Swiss Beauty lip liner. These are so good. These are pigmented, smooth, and I really love the shade also. Definitely a good nude or light brown lip liner for dusky skin. Definitely try this one. On top of it, I'm using Insight non-transfer liquid lipstick in the shade Joyful. And that's it for this makeup look. I hope you liked it. I really loved how this makeup look has turned out. The base is so good and the eye look also turned out very nice, and the lip combo is also bomb. I really love this makeup look. I hope you did also. Do let me know in the comment section, and do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.